On average, users only look at an image for 1.8 seconds. And this time is even shorter when it comes to advertising that doesn't fit the context of where it is displayed. So how can we use this 1.8 seconds to grab people's attention? Netflix spends millions on case studies, and it doesn't matter whether it's a Netflix series cover, an image for a Facebook post, or an Instagram post. They are all visual pieces in a highly competitive space. No matter what you're trying to do, sell something, engage viewers, or anything else, your main goal is to win the competition among all the visual elements, and only then deliver the specific piece of information you want to convey. So here are 3 tips. Faces. Faces are very attractive to our brains and eyes, especially those with complex expressions. However, be careful. A case study showed that when there are more than 3 people in a picture, engagement drops dramatically. Simplicity. We're talking about 1.8 seconds, but it can be even less if your image is confusing. There's a fine line between piquing users' curiosity and just confusing them with something unrecognizable. So keep it simple. The best decision would be to use no more than 3 objects at the same time. A face, an object, and a tagline is the maximum. Don't use complicated things that need time to be recognized. Use the right prompts. We know many of you use AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion to create images for your social media posts. Be careful and give as many specific prompts as possible. AI tools can do amazing work, but high-quality images can cloud your judgment and make you forget about simplicity and faces. So if you get an amazing result but the image doesn't follow these rules, it may be a good idea to keep trying and add more details to the prompt in order to retain the amazement of the result but increase engagement. We have a lot of detailed advice for prompting in Midjourney and other video. You can find a link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more content about design.